Changes of state, heating solids. When solids are heated, they expand or get bigger. The particles in solids are arranged in a fixed pattern. The particles are held together strongly and are tightly packed. The particles in the solid vibrate. When the solid is heated, heat energy is transferred to the particles in the solid. The more energy the particles have, the more they vibrate. As the particles vibrate more, they take up more space. The particles are still held in position by the attractive forces between them. When solids are heated more strongly, they melt. They become liquid. Heating more strongly means that even more heat energy is transferred to the particles. The particles vibrate so much that the attractive forces between them are not strong enough to hold them in a fixed pattern. The particles can slide past one another. They can now move, not just vibrate. The forces are still strong enough for the particles to stay in touch with one another. The more the liquid is heated, the more energy is transferred to the particles and the more the particles vibrate and move.